Hello, and welcome to the Master and Dynamic product tutorial for the MW07 Go True Wireless Earphones. These wireless earphones are audiophile quality and made of premium performance materials, including an outer enclosure made from TR90 composite, a material used in professional sport eyewear, and 10mm beryllium drivers. Our most lightweight and compact earphones yet are designed for those who are always on the move. They are built to withstand the toughest workouts and travel in any weather. They feature an IPX6 water resistance rating, Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and 22 hours of total playtime. The MW07 Go True Wireless earphones are currently available in several colors and come in a technical knit charging case. Also included are a charging cable, adapter, fit wings in 3 sizes, and ear tips in 5 sizes. The case charges to 50% in 15 minutes and to 100% in 40 minutes. When fully charged, the earphones hold 10 hours of listening time, and the case holds an additional 12 hours for 22 hours total. To charge the case, plug one end of the USB-C cable into the back of the case and plug the other end into a power source. After closing the lid, the case battery status lights will come on. A green light indicates the battery is between 70 to 100%. Amber indicates 30 to 69%. And red indicates 1 to 29%. The middle light shows the status of the case battery. The left and right lights show the status of each earphone. If the center light flashes red or does not display, the case battery is depleted. The first time you take both earphones out of the case, they will enter pairing mode. Simply connect through the Bluetooth menu on your device and select MND MW07 Go. To manually activate pairing mode, hold the multifunction button on the right earphone until the indicator light starts pulsing. Select MND MW07 Go when prompted by your device. Please note, continue to hold this button even if your voice assistant is active. There is a multifunction button at the top of the right earphone. Pressing once will play and pause. Press twice to skip forward and 3 times to skip back. To activate voice assistant, hold the button. The volume controls are located on the top of the left earphone. Pressing the front button increases the volume, and pressing the back button lowers the volume. 2 microphones in the right earphone provide the freedom to talk, listen, or use voice assistant using the right earphone only. Your earphones come with medium fit wings and medium ear tips in place. For a more secure fit, choose the ear tip size that forms a seal with your ear canal and the fit wings that fit comfortably under your ear ridge. You can also use the earphones without fit wings, if that best suits your ear. To insert your earphones, tilt them forward with the ear tip resting lightly in your ear canal. Rotate the earphone down until the ear tip forms a seal with your ear canal and the fit wing slips under your ear ridge. You should be able to move your head freely without the earphones falling out of the ears. Clean the outer enclosure of the earphone using a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Do not use alcohol or any other cleaning substances on the product. Do not soak or submerge your earphones. Thank you so much for listening. We hope that you enjoy your MW07 Go True Wireless earphones.